Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set incoming call ringtone to silent on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop menu, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on call alerts and ringtone. In here, we go down to the ringtone and keypad tones section and tap on ringtone. Next, go down and tap on silent. Now sometimes you may want to set it to silent because you still want to have vibration on, but instead it will set it to silent. Now you can see here it doesn't matter whether I change the ringtone volume up or down, it will always be silent because it will kind of like play a silent tune instead of readjusting the ringtone volume. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.